Hi guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing method to make money online. This method will involve people to download stuff, and for that you will be making money. Now don't worry, you don't have to create any type of content to make this method work. You don't even have to type or you don't even have to edit images. This is one of the easiest way to make money online without creating your own content. For this method to work, you don't need a very high internet speed, and this method is applicable throughout the world. Yes, you heard it right. You can be from Australia, you can be from Canada, you can be from Philippines, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, anywhere in this world, and this method is still going to work for you. So this method is something which is not being shared on other YouTube channels or on other websites on the internet. This is something I discovered on my own, and today I would like to share that with you. So before wasting any other time, let's get started. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. At the end of this video, I'm also including a special bonus for you which will help you to increase your earnings. So now, as you can see that we have came to a website called as plrminds.com. So this website plrminds.com is a gold mine for all the PLR uploads. Now what is a PLR? So PLR is basically a file which you can use for yourself without creating it. That means that they have a directory of ebooks, videos, graphics, templates, softwares, WordPress related stuff. You can use all of these things without any license because they have PLR license. That means it can be used for you to resell it or distribute it for free to your audience. So there is no issue of copyright with these materials because these are created for you. Basically these are done for you products which you can use for yourself in your own projects and start giving them away as bonuses and freebies and extras and resellable items, upsells, downsells. It all depends on you, but just make sure that these things are absolutely free and can be used by you in any way that you want. Now as you can see that you can find ebooks here with private label rights, master resale rights, personal use rights, giveaway rights. So you can see there are categories for each one of them. Same goes with videos, same goes with graphics, same goes with templates. Now what we are looking for is giveaway rights. So we are looking for products with giveaway rights so that we can start giving away products for free to people, and when they download the product we still make money. Now how do you make money? I'm going to talk about that later in this video. So what you need to do is you need to promote something for free. So you can see you have a category of ebooks. So do you want to promote ebooks? Do you want to promote videos? Do you want to promote graphics, templates, softwares, or what? Now apart from these stuff, there is one more thing, and that is called as freebies. So freebies are absolutely free and you can use them in any way what you want. Now as you can see that free to download PLR products, free ebooks, free graphics, free videos, free templates, free softwares. So now what you are looking for is free software, so I'll click on here. And now as you can see that it is showing me so many software which are available for you to download for free, and then you can use them in whatever way you want without any issues. You can see that there are so many softwares available here. Now I want a software which is related to car loan calculator. So I'll click on this, and as you can see that they have a dedicated page for this. Now you will also have a button here which says unlock to download. Now you need to download this product. So in order to do that, you just have to share it on Facebook or just put a tweet about it by clicking this button, and then you'll see a download button which will appear here, and within just a click this program of car loan calculator will be downloaded. Now you need to use this program to make money on the internet, and I'm about to show you how to do that. So after you do that, what you need to do is you need to go to this website called as upload-forever.com. Make sure it's forever.com, right? So you can see their logo. So you need to come to this website. Now this is a website where you can upload products and other people can download it, and in return you will make money. Yes, without any investment. You just have to upload it here, and then you can share your links to various people, and when they download it you make money. Now how does it actually work? Well, you can see that there is an option here which says payment proof. So you can even see the proofs of payment. You can see that people are making $3, 1.42 for every download. You can see there are lots and lots of money people are making. In the same way you can also make money on the internet. Now you can also go to this make money tab, and they'll exactly show you what is up forever, how the download thing works, and what are the proofs, what is the payment methods available. As you can see that they have lots and lots of popular payment methods like Payoneer, PayPal, Pay, Piazza, Bitcoin, Skill, Ethereum. So you can see that they have amazing methods to get you paid. You can see that the minimum withdrawal amount is also not very high, like it starts from $1, $2.5, $5. So you can see that it depends on which payment method you are going to use, but you can see that the payment methods are not very high for other popular payment methods. So as you can see that this is about up forever. Now what you need to do is you need to come to this website and then you need to create your account. So to do that you need to click on the sign up button here, and you have to enter all of this information, and you need to select that how do you want to get paid. This is the most important part because your payment will be sent to you on this one. So make sure you enter your correct PayPal email address or whichever payment method you select. Now after you do that you need to upload a product like this. So when you click on upload product you need to enter the file here by clicking on choose file, or you can upload it directly via a URL. So in my case it has to be file upload, so I'll click on choose file and upload it from my computer, which I downloaded from this website. Now after you do that they will give you a unique link which you have to use. Now how to use that unique link? Well, there are three popular methods to use that unique link so that you can start making money. One of them is Facebook groups. Start sending your unique link to all the Facebook groups out there. Use your WhatsApp and reach out to your contacts and send them your unique links. Then you can also start using your other social media networks like your Twitter profile, your LinkedIn profile, your Pinterest profile. All of these are actually methods for you to generate money online, and people are actually doing it, as I have shown you already in the payment proof method, that people are actually making lots and lots of money online using this website. Now I want you to go down below and tell me how much money you want to make in an hour, because once I know the limit of how much money you want to make in an hour, I am going to create more and more videos related to that, how you can earn that amount. Now after you comment down that below, I am going to suggest you videos which you can watch to start making that kind of money, which your expectation, which you put down in the comments. I have created several videos so far and I want you to go check them out on my channel. Now there is one more bonus of this website, that they offer referral programs. That means if someone joins using your link, then you get an additional commission. Now you can also see that they have amazing statistics, which you can see that how many people came, how many downloads happened, how much money you made. All of these things will be shared with you. No other issues are encountered by my other students and other people. You can even see that they have a free $0 per month plan, $0 per month plan for normal membership, and they have a storage space of 70 GB. That is more than enough. Now if you want to go higher, then probably you have to shift it to a paid plan, which is 9.99, but that comes after 70 GB. 70 GB is good enough to store 7,000 downloadable files of small size. So you can see that it's really powerful. So I want you to go and start using it right now. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.